And we're now at the final cove or beach before we hit Dungarvan. Ballinacourty Cove we're at, and we're almost about an hour from sunset. And so I'm going to show you around this spot here. There, that's looking towards the Dungarvan direction, but that's Anring in the distance, that Gaeltacht area I told you about. And then we'll just sweep eastwards, give you a panorama there. Looks like there's a kayaker out there, and then beyond there looks like a small island too. It's so calm and peaceful too. There's a stony beach as well. So watch your footing, because I almost stumbled as I went down the steps then. And there's also a lighthouse behind me as well, Ballinacourty Lighthouse. So I better get you some aerial footage of that coming in a moment. It's a poignant moment now, ladies and gentlemen. We have reached our final destination for my Copper Coast vlog. We are now in the town of Dungarvan, which is just outside the Copper Coast Geopark. It's a lovely town, has a beautiful harbour, and that's the sun setting behind me. And there's still a lot of activity around here. Young people enjoying themselves because of the lovely sunlight, late spring, and it's been a blooming warm day too. So I can't complain on that. Feeling a little bit sad now because this vlog, it's 8 months in the making. Started back in Tramore in September, the first weekend of autumn. And now we're coming to the end of spring. They're partying hard in that car there. And summer is only around the corner. Look at that gorgeous light over Dungarvan Harbour there. And I was here earlier and I was hoping to get into the castle, but it said it was open. I checked the listings online. That's the castle there, and there was no way to get into it, and for some strange reason, so I didn't understand what they were advertising it as open and all the doors were locked, but maybe it was a sick day for the innkeeper or something. An artistic structure there, just at the edge of the harbour. And we have the other side of the harbour wall basking in the golden hour light. Just look at that, there's a glorious sunset just in front of us there over Dungarvan Harbour. So that brings an end to my Copper Coast vlog here in Dungarvan. So I'd like to thank you all for joining me. It's a pleasure to have you, especially those who've commented on my posts and that. And on my roof photography Facebook page and my roof photo YouTube channel. So that's 8 months worth. We had the pandemic, of course, in between, so I wasn't able to go out and about. But hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're on YouTube, and like my Facebook page if you're new to it. So I shall bid you farewell till my next vlog. Be safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. never actually seen this before in my entire lifetime. So I shall bid you farewell for this one. The wind and that is so blue as well, complementing the sky too. Mavic, it's not a Mavic, DJ, the Ballinacourty Cove we're at, and we're just I'll just show you. Where's it gone? Hang on, where's the stop button? To do it. Does that stop?